The Vivo X400 Pro is currently a rumored device. While several retail and tech sites list specifications for an X400 Pro, these are speculative and often conflict with reports that Vivo may skip the X400 series entirely due to tetraphobia, avoiding the number 4, moving directly from the current Vivo X300 series to an X500 lineup. Rumors hint that the Vivo X500 series will consist of 4 models, including a new Pro Max variant that is expected to feature a 6.9-inch display. The remaining models in the lineup are tipped to sport 6.37-inch, 6.59-inch, and 6.85-inch screens. 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 4500 nits. Variously rumored as a next-gen 2nm MediaTek chipset or the Dimensity 9600. A triple rear setup, the Vivo X500 Pro could feature a 50MP 1/1.28-inch primary rear camera with LAFIC support, a 50MP ultra-wide camera and a 64MP 1/2-inch periscope telephoto camera with support for 3x optical zoom. Estimated at 7510 mAh with 90W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.